What kind of projects do you specialise in?
So at Faber Joinery, we do a lot of residential work for main contractors in the UK. Um, we do also do hotels, schools, fire stations, and other projects. That's a wide range of projects across the sector.
Have you used Vicaima before? What do you think about their quality?
We've used Vicaima before on a number of jobs, and the quality has always been very good. It's been refreshing to come and see how things are put together in the factory and learn about the processes that are involved in producing the doors.
What stood out and surprised you during your visit?
A lot of the techniques and processes that are involved in the door manufacturing process isn't something you appreciate until you actually see it firsthand. And some of the innovative methods that are used within the factory aligned with the hands-on approach from the staff is something to be seen. And we all came away walking amazed at the investment and the processes that the machines are capable of, basically. Yeah,
Can you sum up Vicaima in 3 words?
I think diverse, um, innovative, and personable.
In a changing market, what do you believe are the future priorities for our industry?
I think keeping up with technology, um, innovative ways of how we build things out on site, reducing, the levels of dust that are produced on building sites, and that coupled with factory processes is something that we can't ignore moving forward.